welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be opening this Fidget bumper box or bumper Fidget box, let's say. So let's start opening it. We actually found this in a bookstore.
Yeah, I found it.
Yes, you found it. And we got all these fidgets. That's so cool.
There's a package.
In this package. Let's open it. Okay, so first up, we got this
Pop it.
Yeah, Pop It. Blue circle Pop It. It's very good. I love how it sounds in the good side.
Even the back side.
And then we got these two wacky tracks. I really love wacky tracks. This is actually my first time having wacky tracks, so I'm so happy. And then I pulled out this neon monkey noodle. There is an orange and a green color, so let's just put it up. So smooth.
Oh yeah.
Try it.
Oh my god.
It's so stretchy. Oh my gosh, this is the smoothest monkey noodle.
Sorry.
And then here you go. You want this?
Okay.
My baby sister. Right
Sorry.
here. Okay. So now we have only one. And then we got I see 3 marble matches. This pink one. My baby sister also wants it. And then this blue one and this rainbow one. The next, yeah, you can touch one. The next one we have is this football spinner, and I accidentally
Can I have one?
And yeah, you can have one. And then and there's actually 3. My baby sister has it.
No, there's another one.
Oh wait, yeah, we have 4 actually. Right here.
Oh my god, that's so fun.
Silly girl.
Stop.
And then
I want to Sorry.
And then we have this. Oh wait, I was wrong. We actually have 4 marble and matches. We also have this yellow and orange one. And then we have this pea popper.
That was so fun. So exciting.
I'm gonna bring her up. She wants to go up. And then we have this pea popper. It's so cute. So it's actually oily on the top, and it's very smooth. This circle, and it looks weird. And then we have this. And then we have this Rubik's Cube. I don't really like Rubik's Cube because I don't even know how to solve it.
Okay, now we have.
Sorry. And then we have this bone fidget spinner.
Can I try it?
Yes. And then next up we got more monkey noodles. So this is the one that it's very smooth and soft.
No, that's not.
She got her favorite.
No, Maria.
It's okay. My sister right now, she's holding 2 pop tubes
on the bag.
Well, okay. We're just gonna open these 2 first. We got this pink and blue one. We got this pink and blue one. It's so smooth and nice. I really love it. And then we have the last thing is these squishy, textured sensory toys.
And
oh my gosh, they're so sticky that they stick together.
And we have these 2. Pop tubes. We have
Oh my god.
And a purple one.
Yeah, right here. And oh my gosh, these are so sticky that
Can I try it?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
They're not even like
it sticks in my hand. It's so thick.
yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
That's awesome.